Honey is rich in antioxidants. Turmeric prevents oxidative damage and maintains youthful skin. Besan works as a natural cleanser and mild scrub. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells and brightens skin tone. Lactic acid in yogurt helps fade dark spots and pigmentation. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids that deeply nourish dry skin. The mix deeply nourishes, leaving skin silky smooth. Regular use prevents flakiness and dullness. Apply a thin layer, massage gently, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse.